how to reset your Vodafone account password. So in here, the very first thing to do is get my Vodafone application. This is the first interface that you will be seeing, and then from here tap on login. So if you have forgotten your account password, what you can actually do is tap on the option forgot password. So simply tap on login for now, and then from here what are we going to do now is simply tap on reset password or recover email address. So after doing that, we'll get into another link. From here there will be the further process of how you'll be able to reset your account password. So simply tap on reset password, then I'm pretty sure it will ask you to add in your email address and your date of birth, just like this. Then tap on get code, and you will be getting a code on your email address. All you need to do is type that down in order to verify, and after verifying it, here you would need to add in your new password, and for the confirmation you would need to retype that password. After doing that, simply tap on save, and just like that you will be able to reset your Vodafone account password. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.